Welcome to an IVS computer technology video tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm the education consultant that's going to walk you through today's steps. The topic for this video is using Smart Response with the transparent background. Remember that the transparent background allows you to interact with anything on your computer while Notebook is invisible. That way you're able to utilize almost all of your Notebook tools with any file or object on your computer. With Response 2011, you now have the ability to incorporate Smart Response when using transparent background. This is going to allow you to ask questions outside of Notebook. If you switch to the transparent background and you notice the Smart Response icons are not there, you're going to go back to Basic View, right-click the Notebook toolbar, drag the Insert Question and Start Assessment icons up to the toolbar, and then you're going to select Done. Let's see if mine are there. I'm going to add a page so that it looks easier. I'm going to click Transparent Background, and I'm in Transparent Background. I have the internet open behind Notebook, so that's what we're seeing here. And if we look at my toolbar, you can see that I do in fact have the Smart Response icons here. I have Insert Question, Start Assessment, and Show Response dialog box. If I didn't have those icons, I would click the Exit Transparent Background icon, or the X. This takes me back to Basic View. Then I would hover over my toolbar, right-click, that would bring up the Customize Toolbar window, and then I would proceed to drag the Insert Question icon up to the toolbar. Once I see the blue bar, I would let go, and then I would repeat those steps with Start Assessment. My last step would be to select Done. Then I could return back to transparent background. To use Smart Response while you're in transparent mode, you're going to add or navigate to a page in your Notebook lesson that you intend to use with transparent background. Then you're going to activate transparent background. Your toolbar will appear and it should have the Smart Response icons. And then you're going to use those icons to insert, start, or monitor a question. On the next page, I have actually designated this page to use a transparent background, and I've added a large white rectangle as well. I've added this rectangle so that when I insert my question, I'll be able to place the question in this white space so that it's easier for my students to see. You don't have to do this. This is just an option. Once I'm on that page, I'm going to click Transparent Background so that I can see what I have open underneath. As you can see, I have a website, and I can move all of my objects. I can move my box if I need to, so that I can see the address, also so that I have access to my scroll bar. And my Smart Response icons are right here on my toolbar as well. I'm going to click Insert Question to show you how to insert a question, and I'm going to choose an instant multiple choice question. I'm going to select this page, and it automatically inserts the question and the answer choices. I'm going to drag my text down, and then I can also move my answer choices. This is going to allow me to use images on the website as part of my question. And I could just hide this choice since I only have 3 choices. And then I would ask my question out loud, or I would use digital ink perhaps to write the question out for my students to see. In this case, I could ask, which of the following animals is a reptile? The question is automatically started since it's instant, and then as my students answer, I can monitor that progress by selecting the Smart Response dialog box icon. I can scoot this up. I'll be able to view details to see who I'm waiting for, and I can also view a chart. Once 2 students have answered, this information will show. When I'm done, I would select Stop, and then this turns into my final results chart. When I'm done using my transparent background, I would exit out by selecting the Exit Transparent Background icon, and then I can move on with the rest of my presentation. Thank you for joining us for another IVS tutorial.